Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define valuation areas. So in this activity, you define your valuation areas for your closing operations. You can use the valuation areas to report different valuation approaches and post to different accounts. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, then go to financial accounting here, general ledger accounting, periodic processing, evaluate, and then click on define valuation areas here. I'll take the reference here. So I'll be creating, I'll be selecting my valuation method here, which I have created 7075. Currency type will be 10 here. Then click or enter here and click on press save. Continue with this TR. Now you can see on the top your valuation area has been created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe this channel on YouTube.